I love your train horn.
Yeah, it's just a wooden train whistle I have next to me, so I'm just using it whenever I can. Even if we fall off the wrong tracks.
Das ist so ein Hurensohn.
Ja. Oh mein Gott, ich komme da gerade gar nicht
Another
drüber
4x scope up here.
Yeah, I guess I would need it.
Digga, warum hast du immer so eine scheiß Whispering-Stimme, wenn du Englisch redest?
It's just in, yeah, it's in that building.
Yeah, thank you. Not all, ich hab das nicht immer, Luki, nur wenn mein Stiefvater mir den Arsch ficken
And
will.
honestly, I think we just gotta run. Unless you guys see a vehicle, we just gotta run right now.
A train run, right?
A train run, right?
If we can find a train on this map, then guess what, dude? All aboard.
Oh,
But
this
I don't think there's trains in this game, so we're just gonna
Not
have
yet.
to run. Not yet. Not yet is the best answer, dude.
Scheiße. Oh.
Er hast eigentlich 6 mm, 9 mm
Yep.
Ammo für mich.
Yep.
Bisschen gehen.
Ich weiß nicht. Die sind schon ganz schön selten, ne?
Mit der Mauer.
Ich bin mir echt nicht sicher, weißt du?
My gut's telling me
What?
to check out
Players
this house.
right next to us.
Which side?
West.
Was heißt?
At the houses. At the big house.
Alter. Ich dachte
Let's
schon,
just let's
okay.
check these red houses.
Yeah, not right next to us, but on our right next to us. Yeah.
Dude, come on, I wanna fuck them up.
Let's fuck them up, dude. Let's watch this shot. I didn't shoot anything.
Yeah, I know.
What the fuck?
What the fuck, man?
It's alright. Just
Lukas, wo
keep
sind die?
calm.
Wo sind die
Waren
genau?
an dem Haus waren die, weiß nicht.
Scheiße, jetzt haben die Angst bis zum Leben lang.
Ja, das ist Fuck, Digga.
Okay, ich sehe ihn. They're moving. Don't shoot him yet.
Don't shoot him again.
Don't shoot
I'm
him.
ready to
Don't
shoot again. I'm ready.
We will wait. I think they're coming to us.
Can you tell me where are they again?
One is very close to me and they're running towards you. No, you
I'm in
can shoot
position.
him.
I'm ready. Let's shoot him.
One is down.
He downed me, but you downed him too.
Yeah.
Nice down.
Yeah, good job, bro. Ey, Lukas, warte.
Thanks, bro.
Warte, belebe ihn noch
Let's
nicht,
keep
belebe
it
ihn noch
going
nicht.
and keep this thing
Warum?
rolling.
Unterbreche einmal kurz.
Warum?
Ich will das wirklich stehen.
Halt doch dein Maul.
Oh, du Bastard.
Thanks for reviving me.
No problem.
Was? Der hat einen nice Geist, der Bastard.
Oh, I'm gonna get killed by a bomb. Watch.
Der hatte nicht mal eine Karre oder irgendwas Cooles dabei. Dafür hätte ich fast meinen Mate sterben lassen. Wäre schrecklich gewesen.
Er ist auch, Digga.
We gotta get running. We gotta go to the next
Yeah.
circle thing. Like we have to run right now with boosters, or we're not gonna make it. Probably make it no matter what, but
But let's try it. Like a train.
let's just keep things rolling, even if you don't have a ticket on this rape train.
Yeah. I have a ticket though. What the fuck? I don't know if we will make. Oh, we will make it. Probably. Okay. Okay, tell me your story, bro. What happened to your life that you bought a train horn?
It's not. I play in a bluegrass band, So it's like country music, but we have a bunch of Pioneer instruments, and I have a I just have a train whistle next to me. But I
That's
play in a
impressive,
band.
man.
That's why I have that. But yeah.
Hey, what's the name of the band? Is it the
Y-
Train and You?
No, it's called the Fertile Dirt Band. So it's like, you know, fertile dirt, but
I really don't get it. Can you explain?
it's alright, dude. If you want to buy a train whistle, they're on Amazon for like $6.
That's fucking
And
expensive.
but it's worth it though, right?
No?
Ich glaube, das sind traurig immer.
Alter, ich lieg in Süden. Ich hab
Digga, können wir ihn gleich adden?
Digga, ich will in meine Nummer gehen. Hey, what's your name
Alright,
on Steam, bro?
I think it's
I
just
really
this
like you.
name. Yeah. You're okay too. I just don't like how you're not a very good team player. And you don't
Yeah, I wouldn't
stay
like
on
me
the
either.
right.
I really wouldn't like me either.
I mean, honestly, you're good, but you really derail a lot.
No, I mean, it's okay.
You know what he
To
just
most people
told?
are saying it.
He said I shouldn't revive you so he can steal loot.
Okay, dude. That just goes to show how much you're not a team player.
He's kidding.
Oh, okay.
No.
It was the truth.
That's really lame, dude, because honestly, I didn't really have good loot. So if you killed me, that's
No,
really
wait.
disrespectful.
He said he wanted I delayed your revive. No?
Wow. I'm not accepting your Steam invite, even if you do send one.
You will.
You have to bring us on the right track, man.
Bring him on the right
Behind
track.
us, player.
That's what I've been saying
player.
all
Player
along.
itself, bitches. Player itself.
Been shot at from the factory.
Oh,
He's
fuck.
on foot. From southwest. There's 3 of them. Shoot them. Wait. Can you pick me up or no? Ah, alright. Well, I'll watch you guys, but I don't think you're gonna make it long because of this faggot.
Whistle for us. When
Let's
it's
see
coming
this
to rush
play.
me.
What do you got, Broddle? What do you got?
Fuck.
When it's right at me.
You got
20.
nothing, dude. You're weak.
It's up!
You're
let me die.
weak, dude. This guy,
Oh,
I'm
fuck
watching this
you.
guy play,
Fuck
and
you,
it's
bro.
making me want to run. It's making me want to lay down on some train tracks.
Oh, shut up.
Dude, you're not doing anything.
Wait.
Shoot them.
Wait, dude. They don't know where I am.
They know where you. They just don't care. You're. Oh man. Good luck.
See how good he is?
You couldn't hit the broadside of a train.
Hey, I just invited you, man. One's coming from your left. Oh. He will kill you, man.
Let's see it, dude. You gotta man up. Eventually
fuck
in
off.
life, you gotta man
Fuck
up,
off.
Broddle. Come on, let's see it. Man up. Let's see it.
It was actually pretty impressive.
That was because I did damage. I did damage
Yeah,
to that
fuck you.
guy. That was the only way it could kill him.
Fuck, the zone's so far away. I told you I would fuck
Not gonna
them
make
up.
it. you have boost or something?
I do.
You're gonna fuck them all up, but then you're gonna die in the blue gas.
I won't die.
Yes, even if you arrive at the zone, you will die at the next zone.
No.
You will die. I mean, I'm spectating you right now, and you don't have a ticket to the train ride.
I have the biggest train ticket. You doesn't even know it.
Even if you don't have his ticket, he will just take it. Right?
Yeah, even if he doesn't have his ticket, he'll probably jump on the train like some European refugee, because that's what he is. I say go loot it. Loot that shit.
He probably should run.
Oh, fuck it.
Run, Brodle.
I really,
Yeah, run.
I really
like
wanted
the
to
good.
have the K, but I don't have time for it.
Wait, what was in there?
A K.
AKM?
No,
And
and
you didn't
fucking
pick it?
K8.
Oh. Come on, dude. I believe in you. I know through all like the tension between you and your teammates is rough, but
What
I think
tension,
that you
bro?
can.
What tension?
You're really rude towards me and your
No,
teammates.
no, I love you. I really love you. That's just my second face, you know.
All right, well, don't talk too loud. You might wake up your mom.
Oh, fuck you. He's so right.
You got him.
You got me so bad, bro.
I got him pretty good there. But I tell you what, one thing that's gonna get me is if you win the winner chicken dinner. Then you're gonna get me in the long run.
Where?
Are you from Great Britain?
No, I'm from the United States.
Really? But your accent is like, you know?
No, it's not.
You sound so educated.
If you want to see educated, watch this guy, spectate this guy Brodel, and watch him shoot this guy in front of him. 3
You
shots.
won't shoot him.
Alright,
This
this
fucking
sucks.
whore. This fucking bitch.
Oh, it was a good one.
Oh, I hate this dude. He's so
Hast du?
funny. He's so funny.
Ja,